here is a quick review why you should consider to buy a broken screen Surface Book 1 or 2 as your primary replacement device. Okay, so let's get started on my reasons. The first one is these devices, when they're broken, they sell for a lot cheaper considering the price of new ones. So a new one, a Surface Book new, it's over £1,000 for the cheapest, 1,000 with a 128 storage space, and something like this with a broken screen goes for 200 with a broken screen. And I know that a broken screen can scare a lot of people, but if you follow the videos, there's dozens of videos on how to replace screens on YouTube, then you should be fine. But you should take that opportunity, and this is why the Surface Book 1 is, in my view, and the second, the best devices to buy, because during the replacement of the screen, you can do a complete overhaul of the unit and replace the SSD. Yes, the SSD is replaceable. So the SSD is replaceable on the Surface Book 1 and 2. You can replace it on the Surface Pro 3 and 4 and 10, but it's a much newer device and it's not the same type of processor. But anyway, so you could buy one of these for £200, and then you can buy $220, and you can buy a replacement hard drive or SSD, to be exact, for £70-80 for a 500 gig, or £100 or sometimes less for 1 terabyte. So I installed 1 terabyte on this device, and so I've got 1 terabyte. I replaced the screen. The screen was £100. So if we do the maths, £200 for the broken device, with a working device with a broken screen, then 1 terabyte, £100 for the SSD, and then the screen was about £100 as well. So that's £400 for a device that has a built-in dedicated GPU on the base. It's got a battery on the base and a battery on the tablet itself. And all that, if you consider the specs against what Microsoft sells now on for newer devices, it's over £2,000, 2,000 US dollars. So this is a lot cheaper, 5 times cheaper in some cases. And again, you can take that opportunity when you do the change to replace the battery if you wish. So, a broken screen tablet, although it's not easily repairable, it's an opportunity to have something cheaper with your specs. Okay, so I wouldn't buy a new one for the to upgrade the hard drive, because if the screen is or a second-hand one fully working with no screen problems, because that'll be too expensive. And then if I want to remove upgrade the drive on one without a broken screen, I'm probably going to break the screen while I remove it. So if you've got one with the screen already broken going for cheap, that's why I think that. And it runs a 6th generation Intel i5, which is fantastic still. Works very well. The battery life is very good still as well. And then what you can do as well is that the front camera is not the best, but I use it for Microsoft Teams and that's all. But I mean, this is, I think, the best thing you can buy for cheap. And the screen is detachable, so you can press the button, so you can use it as press the button here, until it goes green, and voila, it's separated. So I've got now I can use it as a tablet or with a stylus and to whatever I want. So this SSD upgrade also applies to Surface Pro 3s as well and Surface Pro 4s. If you've got the preference, I would myself suggest the SP4 and the SP3. I used one for a number of years, and on the two models that I had, the fan was constantly on, and that was a bit annoying working with the fan always on. So and it wasn't dust, but I mean the 4 is quieter. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for some more videos. Going to start a project on a SP4, so stay tuned. Thank you, and stay subscribed for new videos. Thank you.